All right, let's take the last program that I'm going to do. I'm not gonna do this, at least not now. I'm just gonna drop the video for this one later, maybe on Saturday or something. Let's take the bubble sort. This is the iterative version. Now let's see how can we write it recursively. All right, so this is, oh, that's annoying. Okay, so let's just make sure that this works. All right, it works. So let's take it from a recursive approach, which is, I think you can guess it by now. I'm just going to take away, there are so many ways you can do it recursively, but the easiest one is to take the outer loop and just say that this outer loop is going to be, the inner loop is going to be happening, but what is going to be driving the outer loop? Well, you guessed it, you can say that we are returning bubble sort, right? Okay, and we are going to be returning bubble sort, right? When we are passing the same list again, notice that in here is the list, in here is not a number, in here is the actual list, and we want to drive the i's. Remember that there was an I right there, right? There was an I, like every element, every index of that n. So I can use optional parameter here, and I can say I equals 0, since we start from 0 here. That's not specified, meaning 0. And we are going to increment I with 1. Okay, and to stop this, we would have a base case that is going to be the following. So if while I'm driving I to get every element from bubble sort and try to check that element with the next adjacent elements that's going to be taken care of by the inner loop, I want to make sure that if I is now equal the last element of the list, if this is the case, then return the current list, right? Return the current sorted list, right? So if I run this, it's going to give you the same exact result.